My name is Nigel Donnelly. I'm the Chief Technical Officer of Hypetex. Hypetex manufactures and colours advanced materials focusing on carbon fibre, but also sustainability and biomaterials such as flax and other biomaterials. Sustainability is important to us, to everybody moving forward. You know, if you can be part of this Three Rivers initiative, it'll enable you to do things quite promptly, quite agile, and get to a point where you can impact your carbon footprint very fast. It's a massive part of our investor decks currently, being able to speak about this in the right way to them. They want to invest in companies who have a future in sustainability, who have a DNA in sustainability within their R&D and their developments moving forward. And having worked with Sustainable X has given us the opportunity to talk about it in the right way at different forums. In the past, I've worked in industries, big multinational companies, where sustainability initiatives are really complicated. Everyone thinks, and we have a kind of a perceived thoughts that sustainability is hard and hard to understand. Working with Sustainable X really simplified the process. It was very agile and fast, and it got us to a point where, as I mentioned earlier, we could actually be at a point where we understand what we're doing and being able to talk about it in the right way. Super agile, super concise, very fast to the point, and great support moving forward. You know, overall, being part of this process has enabled us to understand the areas that we can improve and roadmap forward with our technology development. I think any small business or large business would really benefit from being part of this from a sustainability perspective.